Hello, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the report cards. Report cards are a quick and easy way to give your customers feedback on an appointment. Let's start by having a look at a report card. I'm going to head over into reports, scroll down to the bottom, and I can see a report card at the bottom here. I can see there is a picture, there's a bit of text, there's a checklist, so use the toilet, given a few treats, and there's a bit of information about the pet. You can actually customize this information, and we'll look at that in a moment. But first of all, how do you complete a report card? First, you select an appointment, and then you can either tick the appointment complete button or you can tap the report card button. I'm going to mark this appointment as complete. I'm also going to upload a photo, and I'm going to tick here to say that the dog used the toilet and was given some treats. Now I could save this. You can also delete this report card, but I'm going to send this to the customer, and this will send an email to the customer. Customers can also view report cards through the pet owner dashboard. Click the appointment and they can see the feedback here and the picture that you took. You can also fill in appointments on the calendar. Again, just click an appointment, click to say the appointment's complete, pick your options and send it. If you would like to customize your report cards, head to Settings and Report Cards. You can see the list of questions here. You can also see the intro, so this is what appears above the report card, and you can see a signature at the bottom here. You're free to put whatever text you like in here. You can also change questions. You can delete questions just by tapping this delete button, and you can add new questions. So let me just add a medication question. So there's two parts to a question. The question that appears in the PetSitter dashboard, and then there's a customer text, and this is what appears in the email that gets sent to the customer. I'm going to save this now. You can rearrange questions as well, so you can move items up, swap them around, get them into the order that you prefer. When you're done, click Save. So there you go, nice and straightforward, super easy to give your customers updates on your appointments.